Welcome. Please have a look. We have the latest sunglasses in many different styles and colors.
Perfect. I was planning to buy sunglasses today as well. There are so many options here.
Try a few different pairs first. Sometimes the one you like at first doesn't suit your face the best.
That's true. Could I try this black pair?
Certainly. Here you are. You can also use the mirror.
I like the shape, but I'm not sure if it looks good on me.
It looks nice, but I think the brown frame suits you even better. It makes your face look brighter.
Really? Let me try that one too.
That brown design is one of our newest arrivals, and many customers prefer it.
I think you're right. This one feels more comfortable too. Before I buy them, I'd like to know a little more about the quality.
Of course. These sunglasses have UV protection, lightweight frames, and scratch-resistant lenses.
That's important because she'll be using them almost every day.
Are they comfortable enough for long hours?
Yes, they're designed for daily use, so they don't put much pressure on your nose or ears.
That's good to know. I don't like wearing heavy sunglasses.
The frame also looks quite strong. It doesn't feel cheap at all.
Exactly. We focus on both comfort and durability.
All right, they seem perfect. How much do they cost?
This pair is $900.
$900 is a little more than I planned to spend.
Since you already bought a handbag today, maybe ask if there's a discount.
Sir, could you please reduce the price a little?
I can offer them for $850.
Thank you, but my budget is closer to $700.
$700 would be difficult, but I can reduce it a little more. My final price is $780.
If you can make it $750, I'll buy them right now.
All right, you've negotiated well. 750 Indian rupees is my final offer.
That's a good price. The quality is definitely worth it.
Great. I'll take them.
Excellent choice. I'll pack them in a protected case.
Thank you. I appreciate your patience and the discount.
Today was really productive. You bought everything you needed without spending more than your budget.
Yes, and I also learned that it's always worth checking the quality before looking only at the price.
Exactly. Good shopping is about making smart decisions, not just finding the cheapest product.
I also feel much more confident about bargaining now. Being polite makes the conversation easier for everyone.
That's the best lesson from today. A friendly attitude can help both the customer and the shopkeeper reach a fair agreement.
I had a wonderful time today. Let's come back to this market again next month.
Absolutely. There are still plenty of shops we haven't explored.
I'm already looking forward to our next shopping trip.